Okay, thanks for coming. Long time not see. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you a trick for dealing with errors in Laravel for beginner. And if you are an expert, just skip this video because maybe it will waste your time. So we go straight to my project. This is a project. We start PHP artisan. Okay, go through to web browser. Is a normal Laravel fresh installation. So I back to my presentation. So Laravel is a framework with MVC concept, model view and controller. So when we get an error, that first thing we need to do is check the MVC, model view controller, and make sure that error path is one of this. If you belong to if the path of error is app models blah blah dot file, so it's belong to model. And if is resource views, is belong to views. And the last thing is app https controllers, is belong to controller. So go back to this. Okay, so I trying to make something error. Welcome to SEP. We back to the server. Sorry, I'm in the web browser. Boom. The view welcomes not found is, we can see the error is about view. So the thing we need to do is to check the view folder. We back to view. Back to my presentation. This so is view welcome to not found. So if you go to the resource views, same path here, and welcome to is doesn't exist, so we need make them a file. View welcome to pledge.php. Boom. It's just simple, maybe not HTML, just okay. Welcome, okay, it's a typo. Save and we start. It's back. And the second is controller, so we need to make a controller first. I'm using command here. And I create a new controller here, a new root, using get index. We call http, just a normal controller, home controller, is a class, the function index, and we try to this route index. Method apps, the path is app controller blah 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 blah, so it's the same, we same path like this controller. Okay, home controller index doesn't exist, it's belong to controller, so we need to check the app http controller home controller. Index method is doesn't exist, so we need to make the method. Okay, just return a normal return a string. Okay, we back. Boom. Okay, works. And the last but not least, model is belongs to models user here, app models. So I make them to error. So, and first we need to just a simple select user model. We get all the data. Users, sorry, is a user. Okay, yeah. So we return to users. Okay, go. Action using person not access deny for users. So it's not exist. We need to MySQL Laravel root. I make them first. So we need to install it's start. We need to go SQL workspace. I need to create a new database. Laravel, maybe it exists. Okay, great. Apply, close. If we go to the Laravel here, the table is this. The table is doesn't exist, so we need to run migrate first. Okay, user table is created here. So if we go here, it's okay, but I'm trying to make an error here. We strike to the wrong table. Users 2 is must be an error. So right, base table error user doesn't exist. Base table is mean the model. Are we looking for? Here user. So you need to go the user models here. It's the wrong name, or maybe you want to create another table to make them work well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Oh, sorry. Before I go to the end this video, so with a view, if you're looking for model is about database, view about views or something the user or end user see. In this case, you're using Laravel in the blade template, and the controller is about logically how you present that data to the view, or maybe if you return the view here, we return to the view like welcome, like this, and represent the data user. We use compact, maybe you users like this. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like. See you.